How to exit Waze on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Waze application on your phone. Waze is a community-driven navigation app that provides real-time traffic and turn-by-turn directions by using crowdsourced data from its users. If you want to close this app, then just go back to your home screen. Over here, long press on the bottom of the screen and swipe up. You can now view all the open applications on your phone. Swipe to view and explore all the app previews. If you want to close the Waze app from here, then swipe up on the app preview to close it as shown. You can also use multiple fingers to swipe up on multiple app previews simultaneously to close them faster. Following these steps, you can easily exit Waze on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.